Hey guys, my name is Tana and welcome to my channel. I am so pissed today. This video gonna be about me being very angry because someone stole my car. Someone stole my car on the internet, and I'm so angry. Yeah, I'm so angry. Welcome back, guys. Yes, someone did steal my car on the internet, and before we proceed, I want to thank this person, Mr. Lu Fu Seng. Mr. Lu Fu Seng, thank you so much for contacting me on Facebook and alerting me. Well, all of you know my Audi A6 hybrid is for sale, and I put it up, and yeah, I'm selling it. I got a buyer. It paid the deposit. Everything is done. Everything is beautiful. Everything is going on in plan. And then I get from him, from this person, Mr. Lu, tells me, hey, Tana, look here, I watch your videos and I came across this. And I say, what? And I'm going to show you here. So first and foremost, yeah, so this is the posting on, I'll put a link down here. And I wonder if you can see this. So this is the posting that is there currently on Facebook. You can see here, that's exactly my car. Exactly my car. It's my picture. And I can scroll through and that's exactly my car. I mean, let me just get for you the exact posting here, and so you can so I can prove to you that's exactly my car. All of you know my car. It's a unique thing. So again, opens up on Facebook. Yeah, over here you see. So try to scroll here. Yeah, you can see there those rims. No one else in the world has those rims. That's me. It's one of a kind. That's my car, my picture. So someone put my car there. See, even my console, is that, yeah, so my picture, my sunroof, yeah, my side profile, that's my taman there, you know, that's my wrap. So this is exactly my car. There's no denying this. And they put it up for sale for $47,000. I'm like, that's stupid, you know. Firstly, he doesn't have my car with him. He shouldn't be posting this, and he claims the car is with him. So yeah, I'm pretty angry, and made me think, what is it doing? So this person here is just My Car Mall. That is a site. It's a thing called My Car Mall online. There's a number there. I've contacted him and he isn't replying now. I'm not sure why. It says, we got our customers here to guarantee you can turn your car into cash for 50 minutes. So this guy is online saying, here's my car and my car's for sale, and he's converting your car into cash and all that. So yeah, I'm just so angry. Someone stole my car, you know. Even has got this over here. You see here, 8 out of 10. It's fantastic. It's got this and that, you know. He's taken my car and putting it up for sale. I'm so angry, guys, you know. And that's where I want to come back to the topic of, if you're buying online from used cars, be very, very careful. If possible, buy a car from a used car which your friend has bought for, there's experience behind them. Strong names, you know. There's some companies in Kajang, if you go through, strong big companies, buy from them. Do not go to these stupid guys. Just because they have a domain doesn't mean they're reputable. This is utter BS. This is utter BS that this guy from what side again? It's called facebook.com/mycarmall. It's utter rubbish. So I'm extremely angry. I'm actually going to make a police report of this. I actually also contacted him on WhatsApp. I've messaged him. No reply at this point in time. It's a scam. I mean, either he doesn't have the car, or he's trying to get your money to put your money down to pay a deposit, and they say, what, the car's available, pick another car. It's a scam, guys. I'll leave the link down below. But yeah, I'm super pissed. I just hope that, you know, this might affect my sales, because someone also saying that they can sell the car for a different price, you know. And in my case, it's not about stealing my images, it's about stealing my car. This is my car. So angry. Be careful out there. And as always, go out there and have a little more fun.